Hard work was wasn't I worth the wait? You let me down for her, and you knew it was my birthday. Now every time I see you, I wish you could feel sad, but we got near, ridiculously near. You're bored of it, you've had enough. I know it's late and I should give it up. Don't wanna ruin another night, I just need you to know. It takes me a long time, it takes me a long time to trust somebody like you. It took a long time, it took me a long time. Then you backed off like I usually do. I must have really got there in the end. Bloody fool indeed. Literally the next day I discovered you'd found your easy ride. And you say, yeah, what's the big deal? It isn't what I wanna hear, but better now than in a year. You'll never ruin another night, I just need you to know. It takes me a long time, it takes me a long time to trust somebody like you. It took a long time, it took me a long time. Then you backed off like I usually do. Well, I can see four ways that this could be explained. Either you've been a liar all along, or your feelings changed. Maybe I'm to blame, or maybe the whole thing was in my mind. Ooh, it takes me a long time, it takes me a long time to trust somebody like you. It takes me a long time, it takes me a long time to trust somebody like you. It took a long time, and it took me a long time. Then you backed off like I usually do.